Alrighty, so this one should be pretty easy. All you're going to have to do is pick a substance that is going to buffer at approximately the pH that you want it to. They were really nice, and they gave you two choices here. They gave you a choice of about a 4 or about a 10 or so, 9.8 that is there. And they want you to buffer at approximately a pH of 9. So all you have to do is pick the one that has the pKa value that is closest to that. Clearly, that is going to be this guy here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to arrange it so that you have a buffer that has both an acid and a base component to it. So the acid component is what they gave you. That's HOC6H5. And we know that because, again, they gave you the pKa value, so you know that that's the acid. And then all you need to do is make a conjugate base of that in there, and the conjugate base portion of that is just going to be OC6H5 -1, which is the acid portion of things over here minus the hydrogen, because again, that's how conjugates work there. So that system there is going to be able to buffer somewhere in the 9 to 10 zone, because again, your pKa value is in approximately the 9 to 10. You will have to adjust the acid or the base to be higher or lower to get that exact pH that you want. So for example, in this particular case, not that this has anything to do with the problem, but in this particular case, since you are starting at a 9.8 and you want it to be at a 9, you're going to want more acid and less base in this buffer so that you can get it down to a 9 that's there. But still, you want it to be you want to have a little bit of this guy here and a little bit of this guy here, because that's how the buffer